What's up? We are at Riot Fest with Frank Iero and TickPick, Music Mayhem Magazine, and Belleville's favorite son. Is that fair to say? Who would you say is the most famous person
from Belleville?
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know. I heard there was a hair metal guy that was from Belleville.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't remember who it was though.
I want to kick off with the new album Barriers, and just your decision to call it that because it's really an album about hardships and obstacles and just the things we face in life. I think barriers is an interesting term though. Why does that come up?
Yeah, well, the songs are about building up barriers around yourself to kind of protect you, and also breaking those down because you're realizing that sometimes the things that you've set up to protect yourself are really just keeping you out of enjoying life or experiencing things. This is the first record that I'd written and recorded since having this crazy accident that happened to myself and my brother-in-law and my manager in Sydney, Australia. It was a near-death experience, something I knew that I had to address. You can't have this monumental event happen in your life, something that changes you, like your DNA, and not address it. But for me, it was hard to write those songs and speak about this thing because nothing I was writing felt like it fully encompassed all the emotions that I had.
How'd you turn that corner? Not to jump in, but
no, yeah, well that was breaking down that barrier. I think I got phone calls from these musicians that I had wanted to work with for over like 20 years, but it just so happened that all these people were all free at the same time to make a record, and that shit never happens. Like so often you make these grand plans of like, oh yeah, we should get together and write some songs, and then it never happens. And I was like, oh man, like how do I miss out on this opportunity because of something I can't get over?
Right. Right.
And so I started to chip away at it, and before I knew it, like I things didn't seem that scary.
What are you looking forward to going forward in the it's crazy how time flies, but we have a little bit left in 2019 and 2020.
Know.
What are you thinking?
Well, I got a Mexican tour that's coming up at the end of this month. We're going to be doing Mexico City, Monterrey, and Guadalajara, so I'm excited about that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of time and have some writing that I want to do. We'll see where that goes. I don't know what's going to come out of that. Yeah.
Frank, dude, pleasure, man. Thanks so much for taking the time.